Hi guys, it's Reaper from TFN. Today we're going to show you how to install a 6.3 precision inner barrel, as you can see, into a Marui Glock 17. So before you do anything, remove the magazine, set that to the side, then remove your slide, like so, put that away to the side. Now what you've got left is your full slide. What we then have to do is remove the guide rod, and like so, it can be a little bit fittery but you get there, and remove your outer barrel, so like that. So what we have here is the outer barrel, the inner barrel and the hop unit. You want to just take that out like this, and you can see it's easy to pop out, it's a plastic barrel. Move that to the side. So what you're left with is your inner barrel and your hop unit. Generally speaking, TM stuff is one of the best going. You don't really need to do much work with a TM, they'll be pretty much fantastic out of the box, but we'd like to try something different and install a Tightbore. So get yourself a flathead screwdriver, star head screwdriver, and remove the screws. Personally, I like to keep something soft down underneath, because if anything drops, it has a soft surface to drop onto. As you can see with these screws, they're not going to bounce off the table. Then we take apart the hop unit. If you have a nice flat head screwdriver, that'll help, but if not, you should be able to pry it open by hand. Okay, from here, take that off, set that to the side, and remove your barrel and hop backing. So now you're left with the original barrel and hop backing. Simple fix, you just pry that off, and if you can see it, there is a groove that runs along the inside of the bucking itself. You want to try and get that, well, you have to get that to match along the groove that's on the barrel. Okay, now that's seated correctly, we're going to put it back into the hop unit and close it up. As you can see, that's what it would look like complete. Obviously, I'll have to put the screws in. What I'm going to do is put the rear screw in, because it'll help stabilize everything, keep everything in line. Then I'll put the front one in. From here, I'm going to just check the barrel, make sure there's no nipping or twisting of the actual hop bucking itself. Everything looks good. Now we're going to put it back together. I should mention the inner barrel itself was already clean, so if you're going to do this, make sure your inner barrel is clean before you do it. Then you won't have any trouble with your pellet or your BB getting stuck up in dirt or anything. Okay. There we go. And that's complete. So basically removed, put in a new precision barrel, and the old one can then be put away for safekeeping in case it's needed again at another time. I should mention though that we will probably be putting a new hot bucket into it, maybe an upgraded one, just to see how that works. Hopefully maybe get more range, maybe more FPS or whatever. Okay guys, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed, leave us a like, share with your friends, and we'll catch you in the next one.